Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix delayed notifications on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. The delayed notifications issue is closely related with battery optimization system on this smartphone, and to prevent some applications like messengers, email apps, and social media apps from sending you delayed notifications, all you have to do is open settings on your device, then go either to the apps menu or the battery menu. Now let's go to the apps menu, select app management, and then select the application that you want to fix, for example Facebook, and then select battery usage and switch it from the smart mode to allow background activity. And this way you will not be receiving delayed notifications from, in this case, Facebook applications. And you can apply this setting for each application that you want to receive urgent notifications from immediately. To apply changes, just restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and swiping the circle up to restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.